Welcome. Dr. V. Reddy's. Check and improve knowledge. Topic is atomic structure. Quiz part 1. MCQs are 20. Please write 1 to 20 numbers on a white paper and note down your answers after each MCQ. Then check your answers with answers given. Practice makes a man perfect. 1. The smallest unit of an element that retains the chemical properties of that element is A. Atom, B. Electron, C. Neutron, D. Proton. Two. An atom of an element consists of A. Neutrons and electrons, B. Nucleus and electrons, C. Neutrons, protons, and electrons, D. Either B or C. 3. The central core of an atom contains positively charged particles called protons and neutral particles called neutrons. This central core is called A. Nucleoside, B. Nucleotide, C. Nucleus, D. Nucleolus. Four. The electric or electrostatic charge of nucleus of an atom is A. Negative, B. Positive, C. Neutral, D. None of the above. Five. It is an energy level or electron cloud surrounding the atomic nucleus. It can contain only a fixed number of electrons. It is called A. Shell, B. Orbital, C. Subshell, D. Valency. Six. The arrangement of electrons in orbitals around an atomic nucleus is called A. Electronegativity, B. Electron affinity, C. Electronic configuration, D. Valence electrons. Seven. The maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in a shell is based on the A. Azimuthal quantum number, B. Principal quantum number, C. Aufbau principle, D. Pauli exclusion principle. Eight. The maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in a shell is determined by shell number, denoted by the principal quantum number n. It is represented by the formula A, n squared, B, 2n squared, C, 3n squared, D, 4n squared. Nine. Shells or energy levels are named in the order of K, L, M, and N, or 1, 2, 3, and 4, etc. Shell closest to nucleus is K, then L, next one is M, far one is N. If shell is K, N value is 1 or N equals 1. If shell is L, N equals 2. If shell is M, N equals 3. If shell is N, N equals 4. The maximum number of electrons accommodated in N shell are A, 2, B, 8, C, 18, D, 32. Ten. The subshells into which electrons are distributed are based on the A. Principal quantum number, B. Azimuthal quantum number, C. Hund's rule, D. Aufbau principle, 11. The maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated by a subshell is given by the formula A, 2L plus 1, B, 2 times 2L plus 1, C, 3 times 2L plus 1, D, 4 times 2L plus 1. Azimuthal quantum number, L, determines the shape and energy of the subshells within a given energy level, shell. L is dependent on the value of the principal quantum number, n. The value of L ranges from 0 to n minus 1. Based on the formula, maximum number of electrons D subshell can accommodate are A, 2, B, 6, C, 10, D, 14. 13. The azimuthal quantum number, L is always less than or equal to the principal quantum number n minus 1. L equals 0, L equals 1, L equals 2, and L equals 3 represents S, P, D, and F subshells respectively. When n equals 1, then L equals n minus 1. 1 minus 1 equals 0. It means only S subshell is possible. S, P, D, F are subshells. The lowest energy subshell is A, S, B, P, C, D, D, F. K, L, M, N, etc. are shells or energy levels. S, P, D, F are subshells and are made up of orbitals. Their respective number of orbitals are A, 1, 2, 3, 4, B, 2, 4, 8, 10, C, 1, 3, 5, 7, D, 2, 3, 4, 5. Orbitals in subshells of an atom are always designated with A, a double-digit number, B, a letter and a number, C, a number and a letter, D, none of the above. One p 2d, and 3 f subshells do not exist because the value of azimuthal quantum number is always A equal to the principal quantum number, B less than that of principal quantum number, C more than that of principal quantum number, D none of the above. Electrons will occupy the orbitals in order from lowest energy to highest is A, Aufbau principle, B, Pauli exclusion principle, C, Hund's rule, D, Bohr model of atom. No two electrons in an atom can have the same set of 4 quantum numbers, including spin is A, Aufbau principle, B, Pauli exclusion principle, C, Bohr model of atom, D, Hund's rule. Within a subshell, electrons will individually occupy orbitals before pairing up is A, Aufbau principle, B, Pauli exclusion principle, C, Bohr model of atom, D, Hund's rule. The standard notation for the distribution of electrons in the atomic orbitals or electron configuration of atoms came into practice shortly after. A. Aufbau principle. B. Pauli exclusion principle. C. Bohr model of atom. D. Hund's rule. Please check answers. 1. D. Neutrons and protons. 2. B. Democritus. 3. C. Ernest Rutherford. 4. D. Ernest Rutherford. 5. B. James Chadwick. 6. C. J.J. Thomson. 7. C. Ernest Rutherford. 8. A. Isotopes. 9. B. Isotopes. 10. C. Isotopes. 11. D. Frederick Soddy. 12. A. Isobars. 13. B. Isobars. 14. C. Alfred Walter Stewart. 15. C. Isotones. 16. B. Different elements. 17. A. Same element. 18. D. Both A and B. 19. A. Guggenheimer. 20. C. Otto Hahn. Knowledge is one of the most powerful assets anyone can possess, serving as the foundation for personal fulfillment and collective advancement. The value of knowledge is immense and multifaceted, shaping personal growth, societal progress, and innovation. We are preparing these quizzes to useful for every school student and who are aspiring success in higher competitive exams. Please provide your valuable comments to improve these quizzes. We will try to incorporate and also like, subscribe, and share these quizzes to everyone, finally to reach the needful. Repeated practice leads to great success. If you have OTT option for your TV network, you can watch this video on TV relaxedly on YouTube and can improve knowledge. Thank you. Have a great day.